Hi, my name's James from Bespoke Fireplaces to tell you today about an exciting new feature on the Bespoke Panoramic X and S range, and also how to install the LED smouldering embers. Inside your firebox, you're going to have a package, silver package like this, which is going to have your LED strips in. Open that up, you will see the strip comes out. It has a self-adhesive strip, sticky strip on the back, also with the connectors. I'm going to show you how they plug in and how to install. Remove the self-adhesive strip on the back of the LED strip. The 4 LED strips will be inserted and installed into the 4 ports shown here. The connections on the top will have a small groove. That small groove will be facing the right hand side when connecting it. And then you will be ready to lay your bedding of choice. Before installing the fuel bedding, turn the fire on to make sure the LED strips are working correctly.